If you haven't taken a good look at Vancouver City Hall recently, you may not have noticed just how dirty the building is. And we're not talking the politics, but actual grime and moss all over the historic building. And now city officials want to give it a good wash. Alyssa Thibault takes a look at one of the options under consideration.
This is the worst area right here.
You may have noticed Vancouver City Hall is looking a little rough.
It's sturdy. Could use some love.
This 3D scan was done by Vancouver company Skydweller Technologies, which is hoping to clean up the building with drone power washing. The company approached the city about the job, and the first step in securing the contract is seeing how bad the situation is.
The north side is always the worst side of the building. Just gets the less sunlight, so the algae gets a bit more opportunity to stick and grow.
City Hall hasn't been cleaned since 2010, just before the Olympics. At the time, it was all done by hand using dry ice.
So we actually were able to remove a lot of the risks with having scaffolding up, the unsightly views, and we're able to do it 3 to 5 times faster.
Data from WorkSafe BC shows there have been more than 50 serious injury claims made by window washers from 2019 to 2023.
We're actually making the job a lot safer. Like, our pilots are firmly planted on the ground.
The company only launched last summer and so far has worked on Victoria General Hospital and the Vancouver Convention Centre. Those projects only took a few days, but City Hall is a heritage building with specialty stonework. The team says they'd have to lower the water pressure, so the whole process could take a bit longer.
I think we're looking at closer to maybe 20 to 25 days in total to do the entire thing, but it could be significantly less.
The request for proposal says the cleaning job will be carried out in April. Alyssa Thibault, Global News.